No, you know, if anyone was brave enough to bet the Maverick when I said corporate Jamaica would never support local football in any meaningful way anytime soon, anybody at the time who would have bet me that, yes, 6 brand new corporate sponsors plus new title or presenting sponsors Digicel would be pumping $200 million over 3 years into the Jamaican Premier League, I would have bet my life savings, my house, my car, and my puppy dog. Yes. And then direct them to Bellevue. Yes. And we would lose. Yes. I mean, we are looking at roughly $300 million in new sponsorship, and the league don't even start yet. And it was always perplexing why corporate Jamaica snubbed local football for so long, when it is clearly the most popular sport across all classes of Jamaicans, still the most played and watched sport in the country, still the sport with the greatest community reach, and yet the premier competition in that same sport over several decades struggled for meaningful sponsorship. But all of a sudden, with the long-standing PLCA disbanded, the new professional football Jamaica body formed with the newly designated national hero as the face of the new thrust. As we speak, stone is being turned into bread and water is being turned into wine, proving that it is never ever too late for a shower of rain. Yes, yes, yes.